Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to unlock someone on Snapchat and add them back. For this, I will open my second Snapchat account from where I have blocked my main Snapchat account. So I will go and open my Snapchat account. Now I will just go to my profile and then I will go to settings, and here I will just scroll down, and under the account actions you can see we have the option blocked. Just click and you can see I have my other Snapchat in block list here. I will just click on cross here and then I will confirm it. And now this user is unblocked. And I can add this friend back to my friends list. You can see it is showing in my search. I can simply click on add to add it back to my friends list. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.